Welcome to ELD device driver training. We have the PCT is what they're calling out, PeopleNet Connected Tablet. Roadside inspections. From the regular home screen, you would click on the roadside icon. You can also access roadside inspection through the options menu from the eDriver Logs menu. The grid of the log will populate for the officer. So you want to click on the data file transfer, and this is what you will see. So the officer will give you a file comment that you can plug in there, and he's going to tell you either what mechanism the information will be transmitted, either email or web service. Every time after you put in when you want to transfer your log information, you will have to enter your password. We're going to act like we're going to do a roadside inspection. As shown before, that's how you get to roadside. To annotate a roadside inspection, you want to go to your logs. Let me get out of here. Go to your logs. eDriver logs again. And you want to go to your events, and you want to basically scroll down. If you just had an inspection, it'd be all the way down at the bottom. So you want to find that on-duty move. And let's say this right here was a DOT inspection. So to annotate it, you just highlight it and you annotate, and you just type in there, DOT inspection. So a clean inspection with a log annotation of that, that'll earn you $100. And like you see right there at 2:32, there's the little comment DOT inspection, and then just click done when you're done. So best practice for roadside inspections. When you're stopped in a roadside inspection, you need to be sure you are in on-duty status. You must find the change of duty status on your logs and annotate the log with the remarked DOT inspection. Clean inspections with a remarked log will earn you $100. Remember to turn in all inspection reports with your paperwork that week.